Goodbye. Ken's a good boy. When he used to do the sound at the King's Arms in Salford.
Yeah, and the lighting technician. Excellent.
Yeah, he did it all. He was shit hot down there, Ken.
Yeah.
Any bands that have played there will remember Ken.
Yeah, he was main man there.
He was. Until the beautiful South come along and flirted him on it.
Yeah.
Is that the story? Yeah.
And it was, that's right, yeah. It was never the same without him.
Need a little time.
Well, he needed a bit more time, didn't he? But they got shut of him.
Let's get his beard out.
Yeah. No, good bloke, Ken. Lives in the graveyard, doesn't he?
Yeah. His house is in the graveyard.
His house is in the graveyard, yeah.
It's like the gate house.
The gate house,
the gatekeeper.
It's not like the mines on the graves.
Yeah.
Is it bone man?
No, he didn't do that.
He's the gatekeeper.
Is it?
Yeah. It's surprised you see him out now, because I believe he's a vampire, isn't he?
Yeah.
Don't usually come out during the day.
He has to wear
part-time vampire anyway, yeah.
So he wears glasses. Anyway, what about this mixing dish you got from
What about people wearing glasses? What are you calling
mixing
people
dish?
who wear glasses for?
What do you mean,
You've got glasses on yourself.
I'm specky.
Don't mock the afflicted. Not on our
can't.
show anyway.
It's a Mackie D8B. You off your head.
What is it?
A D8B.
What does that mean?
It's a studio mixer.
I could learn it.
They wouldn't even fit in your cupboard. Your Studio 1.
Studio 2 now.
Studio 2, the
kitchen. All the repairs going on.
My house has been ransacked now.
Have you mind?
Who else's house is it?
When I went to his flat before, I thought he'd been robbed. Seriously, there's stuff everywhere. When have you been robbed? He went, no, what do you mean? I went, there's stuff everywhere. He said, that's how it always looks.
like your car.
I skip, yeah. Oh, God,
Lee
yeah.
said about that in a bit.
Yeah, no, we go off that. We're not talking
about
that.
Yeah, that's right, yeah.
We're not allowed to speak about that in a minute. Right, I was going to say something then, Mike. I was going to say something about someone at the door.
No, it's me tapping this going.
Well, form a band, that's pretty good.
Yeah,
no, you know what I was going to say? Punk Weekends, what we're up to, 8?
8.
Well, I think we should start thinking about doing another one, Punk Weekend.
Yeah, why not?
What are you doing
We
now?
should have done it for this summer,
Don't know where we're going to do it, actually, but we've got a couple of months.
We ain't doing it at fucking Wigan.
And we're not doing it in Pike Port. Yeah, we'll do it in Salford, so maybe we can find the right venue. Anyone's got a venue who wants to put a Punk Weekend on.
Yeah. We'll gladly do it.
Don't drink you fucking dry, that's a definite.
Yeah, Sounds of Salford.
Yeah, shitload of money.
Sounds of Salford sponsor. If anyone's got a venue who wants to put on a lot of good bands, punk bands. We're talking about
and earn yourself a shitload of money.
Earn yourself a shitload of money.
And all the beer sales. Get in touch with the studio.
Get in touch
no, seriously,
with
if anyone wants to put it on, we can. You can if you get the weather right.
Do you know what I'm thinking?
Right weather.
Do you know what I'm thinking?
As well.
Dog and Partridge. So if you're listening tonight, Dennis, give us a shout, mate. I'll be seeing
that
you
one in
tonight.
Eccles near?
Yeah.
Is it big enough though?
I don't know. Then I'd let you stand up for it there. We're out beer sales.
Yeah,
got cinnamon dinner on soon.
Yeah,
see how many it can hold, and I'll have a word with them
tonight. I don't think it's big enough.
I don't think it's big enough. But we can.
No, it's not.
How many bands are you thinking of getting?
Probably about 15 or something.
Yes.
15 bands. We'll drop it down to 10.
It's pointless then, isn't it?
It's not Punk Weekend then, is it?
Yeah, it's just like a little do.
Punk do.
Yeah, it's just
we'll put that in the do. We'll put that in the pipeline and we'll think about that one.
We'll have a think about that. Get a venue.
Well, we've got. If we do it this summer.
This summer, yeah.
What are we up to? March, April, May, June, July. We've still got 6 months.
Yeah, you don't want to go too deep because we're talking
July or something.
Nice and Sleazy's on and Rebellion and that. Yeah, so we're looking June perhaps.
Yeah, June.
So we're in what we're in now, March, April, May, June. We've got 3 months to sort it out.
Right,
so
we'll crack on.
Yeah, we can have a go at that, can't we?
Right, I'm starting the plough.
We're ready by June.
If you get it.
Yeah.
Right, yeah, so there's an invite going out to the things anyway. If you want to play it, you can be top of the list there.
Yeah, you can top the bill as usual. The things.
You can't say they can top the bill because you're going to upset
the main
band.
Who's the main band?
We've not asked him.
You know what I mean.
I've not blagged him yet.
No, you know, no.
I'll have to have a word with the manager.
No,
I'll have a word with the manager.
I mean, the Ascension. You're going to upset the Ascension if you tell someone they're going to be the.
Yeah, the Ascension. Like
if you tell someone they're going to be
spelled with an S.
Yeah, not the other Ascension. If you say someone's going to be the headline band, and that'll upset the Ascension, won't it? And they'll throw toys out, and that'll be it.
And the dummies and things, and they'll pack up and start swearing and things, and
Yeah, and right.
Anyway,
about time we wrapped it up anyway now.
Yeah, getting boring though.
Yeah, yawn.
Yeah. So we're going to finish with a fall anyway. Good and blindness.
I'll give a special mention to Ed Blaney.
And a special mention to Ed Blaney.
Oh, he's got a new song coming out. It's just
not that he's a cock.
No, cock is alright. Does a lot for the music scene.
He's a nice
does a lot for the music scene in Salford. Got a lot of time for that.
Yeah, no, he's a good lad, and yeah.
Oh yeah,
he's got a new song coming out.
Oh no, he hasn't.
Got a new song. He's got a new album coming out.
Forgot that he hadn't.
Coming out on 27th of May, I think it is. So, I'd love to see you anyway with your album.
Yeah.
Right, there you go.
There you go.
That's your lot.
No, it's because you mentioned the fall. You see, Marky Smith's on the album.
Yeah, he is.
I think I'll give him a ring actually.
Who?
Marky Smith.
Yeah.
I'll give him a ring. I'll message him and see if he wants to play Punk Weekends. Yeah.
Right, so anyway, we're going to finish with a fall. I like it. Listen to the bass line in this. It's good.
Bye.
See you.
Bye.
is evil. Welcome. Living legend. I was walking down the street. I saw a poster at the top. Look. I was all on one line. The street was dark. And a poster at the top of the street said, at the top of the street, encapsulated in plastic, had a blow out. So I said, blow out. How much you want? said, climb out. Have mercy on me. The flat is evil and full of cavalry and cavalry and cavalry and cavalry. Work hard, it's sad. And from Headdown Bridge, somebody said to me, I can't understand the word you said. I said, 99% of non-smokers die. Do you work hard? Do you work hard? I was walking down the street and saw a picture of a black man. Is evil. I'm good. Cavalry and cavalry. Look. Line out. Have mercy on me. So, line out. Have mercy on me. Coffee